One of the biggest controversy in the Philippine history is the restriction of Dr. Jose Rizal. Before he was executed on December 30, 1896, it is believed that he was forced to renounce his writings against the church. What is the truth? Let's find out.
Dr. Rizal, maikli na lang ang iyong oras. Pero may pag-asa ka pang maligtas ang iyong sarili. Pirmahan mo lang ang dokumento ng retraction.
Why should I do this, Padre? Everything I have written is for the nation, for freedom. Hindi ko itatanggi ang katotohanan.
Kailangan mo itong pirmahan, kung hindi, mananatili kang taksil. Isipin mo ang kahiyan mo sa inyong pamilya. Pag pinirmahan mo to, mapapabilang ka sa mga ligtas.
Kung pipirmahan ko ito, sisirain nila ang aking pangalan. Kung hindi naman, ang aking buhay ang kanilang sisirain.
Don Pasiano, is it true that Dr. Jose gave in? Sabi nila pinirma niyang retraction.
Hindi ako naniniwala. Jose has principles. Ang mga ganitong dokumento ay maaaring peke. Sino nga bang mga ginabanggit?
But what about the church? Malinaw na gusto nilang pahinain ang revolusyon sa pamamagitan ng pagkasira ng pangalan ni Dr. Jose.
Totoo man o hindi, alam natin sa puso niya ang totoo. His love for the country cannot be erased by a single signature.
Rizal restriction remains a mystery. Was it fake or true? Which way heavier, the signature on the paper or the essence of his sacrifice? To this day, he leaves us with a lesson of principle and love for the country.
Kung ito ang paraan to show my love for God and my country, may they do justice for my intention.